Hello and welcome back to Robby's kitchen, where every meal is a little adventure. So I was just scrolling through reel the other day, doing what we all do when we are hungry and lazy. When I saw this one recipe, it looked so good and so simple, I just had to try it. Guess what? I had all the ingredients in my kitchen. So I said, that's it. I'm making this stir fry today, guilt-free and full of flavor. Just for myself, because I'm home alone. Here's what you need for just one serving. 2 small cucumbers, salt, just a pinch to taste, 2 tablespoons light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 2 tablespoon water, 2 teaspoon red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon sugar, 2 to 3 garlic cloves, a small piece of ginger, about quarter, 2 to 4 green chilies or as spicy as you like, some colorful bell peppers, 1 tablespoon mustard oil or any oil you like, a little fresh coriander, 1 tablespoon toasted sesame seeds for garnish. Okay, let's start preparing. First, take those cucumbers, cut them long way into 4 strips. Don't peel them, we want that green skin. But do scoop out the seeds. Then cut them diagonally into small pieces. Super cool shape, right? Now sprinkle a bit of salt on the cucumber and set it aside. We want it to release extra water. Now let's make the magic sauce. In a bowl, mix soy sauce, vinegar, water, chili flakes and sugar. Stir it up real good until the sugar melts. Boom, sauce is ready. Time to bring the heat. In a pan, add a tablespoon of oil. Once it's hot, add chopped garlic, ginger, green chili and bell peppers. Stir it around. Oh man, it already smells amazing. After a couple of minutes, pour in that sauce we made earlier. Let it bubble and reduce to half. Now go back to the cucumber. Give it a little squeeze to remove the water. Toss it into the pan with the sauce. Stir fry for about 4 to 5 minutes on medium heat. That's it. style cucumber stir fry is ready. Garnish it with fresh coriander and toasted sesame seeds. Serve it with fluffy rice and oh, you are in for a treat. Okay guys, let's see how it came out. Looks good. Nice. Has crunchy cucumber in there. I feel like I'm happy. So I sat down to eat, just me and my plate, and ring. My brother called.
हेलो
हाँ बोलो
पापा सुन जाओ
क्या
यार तो परसों चलता है
हाँ तो आरसी जब रेडी हुई हम लेके चले आएंगे. He told Papa wasn't feeling well.
बात सुनिए देखिए उनका नस नहीं चढ़ा है उनका नमी
I stayed on phone and had some family time while eating, but deep down I was worried.
होता है उनको पेन भी नहीं है उनको नमनेस है ऊपर से दाल
नहीं चला जा रहा. 911 करके कॉल कर एम्बुलेंस बुला दो.
उनको नहीं बोल समझाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं लेकिन बड़े पापा जी बोल रहे हैं.
Later that day, we found that Papa had a stroke. Symptoms को Google कर देखो तो क्या बता रहा है. The next day, I picked up Archie and drove down to North Carolina to be with him. ठीक है चलो. Thank God, things came under control. कोशिश करो लेके जाने के लिए. Spicy, a lot of green chili in there. Very yummy. I'll give a nine. Life throws surprises at us sometimes, but we take them one plate, one day, one moment at a time. Please keep my Papa in your prayers. Thanks for hanging out with me in Robby's kitchen. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And hey, give this recipe a try when you are craving something quick, yummy and guilt-free. Until next time, cook with love, eat with joy and take care of the people you love.